How to fix failed transaction errors in SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to fix failed transaction errors in SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. If your transaction fails in SafePal, first check your network connection to ensure it's stable. Next, verify you have enough crypto balance in your SafePal application to cover both the transaction amount and network gas fees. Sometimes failure happens due to low gas fees. Try increasing the gas fee in transaction settings for faster processing. Also make sure you are using the current blockchain network that matches your current token like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. If the problem persists, try restarting the app or updating it to latest version. You can also check blockchain explorers if your transaction was partially closed or stopped. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guide. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna fix failed transaction errors in SafePal. Bye bye.